Welcome to our channel. If you want to verify your Afterpay account to start shopping with buy now, pay later options, follow these simple step-by-step instructions to complete the verification process. Step 1. Download the Afterpay app from the App Store or Google Play Store, or visit the Afterpay website at afterpay.com using your web browser. Step 2. Log into your Afterpay account using the email address and password you created during registration. If you're new, complete the sign-up process first. Step 3. Navigate to your account settings or profile section by tapping on your profile icon or accessing the menu in the app or website. Step 4. Afterpay will typically require email verification first. Check your email inbox for a verification message from Afterpay and click the verification link provided. Step 5. Provide your personal information to verify your identity, including your full legal name, date of birth, residential address, and phone number. This information must be accurate. Step 6. Enter your payment method information by adding a valid debit or credit card. Afterpay will verify that the card is active and has sufficient funds available. Step 7. Afterpay may perform a soft credit check or identity verification using your provided information. This does not affect your credit score, but confirms your identity. Step 8. If additional verification is needed, you may be asked to upload a photo of your government-issued ID such as a driver's license or passport. Step 9. Wait for Afterpay to process your verification, which usually happens instantly, but may take up to 24 hours in some cases. You'll receive a notification when verification is complete. Step 10. Once verified, check your account to see your spending limit and start shopping at participating retailers using Afterpay. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.